We're against the light.
Hello everyone! Happy Wednesday! Good morning po sa inyong lahat. I'm Rosel and look who's with me. It's my son, Kirsten. And we're just walking home. We went to this shopping center and attended my dental appointment. And now we are just soaking the fresh air. And you know the beautiful surroundings here. Well, look at this. It's a lovely sunny weather today. It's so guys, to everyone, maaring simple walk lang po ito, but then for me, it's not, guys. It's a blessing. It's a blessing because few years ago, I didn't have this kind of time. I'm always rushing, exhausted, missing out precious moments with my family. But alam nyo po, God made a way and I found this online business.
Hi, Kirsten, her son. Yeah, it's true because my mom was always exhausted back then. She barely had time for us because she's always working. And yeah, I'm proud of her. She didn't give up even after 5 years. And look, she's happier.
Yeah guys, that's why I really love this business, guys, because I just post daily on the social media platforms, and then I help people start their own online business, and I do it while spending time with my family. Well, it's not about just earning, guys. I'm living with peace, with purpose, with time for the people I love the most.
As she said, yes, you should start something because life's too short. You should be able to enjoy your time. And this business is amazing. We can bring it anywhere, anytime. And yeah, our training is video based.
Yeah, so anyone can do this, guys. So that's why I just want to remind you today that God hears your prayer. Don't stop believing that change is possible. It is possible, guys. Because if I found a way, so can you, guys. So it's never too late to live the life that you've dreamt before. So if you are interested, guys, you can message us. We are both business owners and just register on our website, guys. Well, we are nearly home and we are going to finish our live, and I hope you are having a lovely Wednesday, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
God bless.